What's up guys, I got my garage parts. I don't know, we call it parts or stuff, whatever. So I got it today from VersaTube. Here it is. They're sending me 5 pieces. This one's 1, 2 down there and 3, and there's 2 of them up there. Just all of them, they're metal, but I don't know which one have bolts. So I need to unbox it, and then I need to count the piece, how much I have, and then I need to tick the box how much I have before I start. I need to make sure I have every parts. If I miss, and then they give you almost 2 days, or I don't know how much days you need to count, and then you tell them if there's missing. So yeah, I need to do that before I start. I don't know how much it will take me to build it. I need someone. If I have someone, it will be easier, but yeah, still too big. I'm saying just too big because too tall. I need to rent a scissor lift to do that. I'll rent it for 1 month, I think. Before that, I'll finish it. It's not that much large, and the width only the heights only, compared to my old garage and my house. To the height's too big. And then I need to do I didn't order the doors yet because I need to make it custom because it is too tall. The width's not that much bad. The width's 10 by 14. Only the height's too big and nobody have it. I searched on Facebook. Only one website I found. They're cheap, but the shipments that is expensive. I don't have choice. I need to order from them. Only one of the doors smaller. It is 10 by 8. Still, I need to make it order because nobody have that kind of stuff. Only that. I have everything. Only the sheet metal, a little bit damaged, the paint, and a little bit on the gray is damaged. So I did take a picture and send it to VersaTube, and then they said you need to count it, but it's not easy to count. It's not easy, there's too many of them. I might count it, I guess. That one, I told you that one's installation. It is expensive. I don't know. I searched on internet to find more cheaper, but I can't find. Yeah, so I need to count it. I'm going to count it maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow, and then I'm going to start. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay guys, I'm going to unbox it. Some of them I already take the cover off on that side. On that side it's only the steel. There's some, I think, bolts on that side. On this side I didn't take it yet. Let's see. There's rain, water on it. I think there's still on this time too. Okay. So I think it's on the other side the bolts. So I need to count everything and then make mark before I start everything. So I'm going to cut the wraps and I count everything need to be counted before I start. Otherwise I start and then I miss something. I don't want that happened. I think this one for the bolts. But I think it needs to be more. Yeah, there's more over here. So I need to count every one of them. They did write numbers, but I want to make sure I want to count more again. I never know. So I'll be make it time lapse, otherwise it will be longer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Alright guys, I count some of it. I didn't count all of it because I need to measure to know which one's which one, because there is no anything mark. Especially these ones. I don't know which one's which one. I need to measure it and I'll leave it for now. But some of them count. On that side I did count, that all things count. That one, half of it's count. The bottom ones, they're easy, so I did count it. Hopefully they're correct. That one over there, the whole thing is correct. I think it's missing. Yeah, and for the sheet metal, I did count it, and then I think they left one piece extra for white and gray. The gray one, it is 40. First one I count 44, now it's 45, because too many to count. This one's 21, but I need only 20. But the top one is damaged, scratched, so we don't need that one. The gray one, it's too many to count. If you can see, there is too many pieces to count. I don't know, hopefully I'm correct. Which one is it? 44, the first one is 44, and then the second one is 45. Hopefully it's 45, let us see. I think they left one extra because the white one is one extra, so hopefully that's that way. And I put that one, we saw it on the time lapse. So tomorrow I'm going to drill it. Today I'm not going to drill it. Today is Sunday. I don't want to annoy my neighbors, but later on I'm going to annoy them. Yeah. I'm going to rent my scissor lift maybe next week. I want to make ready everything and ready. Maybe yeah, I want to make ready and rent it. Yeah, that's my plan. Otherwise, maybe this week or next week. Maybe I need to rent a trailer. If I do that, it will be more cheaper. If they deliver it, it will be more expensive, almost 200 one way. If they return it, it will be 400, maybe 500 total delivery will be. I don't know, I didn't decide about that part yet. I don't want to spend 500. I don't know. If it is far away, I might pay 500 because I don't want to go and grab it, and I might save money, but I don't know, I didn't decide yet about that part. So enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2 when I'm going to drill it and put the posts, not everything, but there's more parts on this one. I don't know how much parts there will be. There will be too many parts, definitely. So stay tuned for that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It will be helpful to do like and subscribe.